This is St George's Memorial Chapel in Ypres, and it tells a story of two distinct but connected groups of people who were here in the immediate post-war years. Firstly, there was a very big British population living in Ypres in the 1920s. They were here to help rebuild the town and to build the cemeteries where thousands of people lie. But it also tells a story about pilgrims, families who were coming to Ypres to remember their lost sons, and they wanted somewhere to come and reflect and to pray. And as you can see from the poppies all around me, this is still a place of remembrance and pilgrimage. The entire interior of the chapel is a commemoration, a memoriam to men killed during the fighting. We've got the bust of French up there, who was the commander in the very early stages of the fighting, and then memorials down to privates and ordinary men. In memory of Lieutenant Elvin Scott from his sister Molly. In memory of my son. You can't really absorb just how much grief is reflected here. I don't know of any other place on the Western Front that is a collective memorial like this to so many families. Every one of these plaques is honouring a man or a unit that went to Ypres and never came home. It's just a really remarkable place. Much of the chapel was funded by donations from family members and ex-servicemen's groups who wanted to remember their lost comrades and lost sons, and a lot of those contributions are remembered in these large plaques at the back. And again, just a whole range of units: Australian Commonwealth Forces, the 25th Machine Gun Company. So some specific memorials to individuals. There's a plaque over there saying how the heating system was donated by the returned members of one particular unit. And then the focal point, of course, is the chapel here, which has become, since the earliest days of the chapel, was a shrine to come and pay respects to the missing men. And as you can see from the tributes around us, still remains that way today.
I'm Mat McLachlan, and thanks for watching Living History TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more great history content.